Today I'm gonna talk about tutorial bit 5. So we have two architecture. Mm, so if the question is what I learned from the architecture. So in the architecture, I learned cloud computing is the model computing paradigm where data application and infrastructure are delivered to over the internet instead of being stored locally. It's evolved from early technology like distributed and grid computing, and its main goal is provide scalable, flexibility, and cost-effective computing research. Paul Paper emphasized that cloud computing allows users to access service anytime and anywhere without worrying about hardware or system maintenance. So the cloud computing can be defined as a system that provides on-demand access to shared computing resources such as server, storage, and application through the internet. One key idea I learned is that users no longer need to manage complex IT infrastructure themselves. Instead, they can outsource data to cloud provider. It's simple like computing and research costs. And the architecture describe the important service model in cloud computing. They include infrastructure as a service IaaS, and which provide the virtual hardware platform as a server PaaS with offer development environment, and the software as service SaaS is delivery application through the web. So another perspective include hardware as a service and data as a service. So the model show how the cloud computing support different user needs from develop and everyday user. So for the key characteristics, the cloud computing has several important characteristics. First is provide on-demand service, means user can access research whenever needed. Second is scalable and flexible, allowing system to grow by on demand. Uh, and third is support remote access through simple interface like web browser. Addition is under the pay-as-you-go pricing model, which reduce the cost. And finally, cloud system ensure quality of service through agreement that delight performance and reliability. The architecture and deployment model. So the cloud computing architecture consists of the front end and back end. In the front end is what user interact with the and while the back end includes service storage management system, and the artist also explain different deployment model: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. Public cloud is open to everyone. Private cloud is the for like related to original and compatible. So one major advantage of cloud computing is cost reduction. The user don't need to invest in expensive infrastructure. It's just simple and maintain to improve accessibility, support disaster recovery through the data backup. Cloud computing promote green computing by reducing energy consumption and hardware waste. So the epidemic make especially useful for business and organization. And the first architectures highlight the key technology that make cloud computing possible. They include virtualization, which allow multiple systems to run on the machine, and the web service that enable communicate over the internet. And other technology like the distributed storage system and programming model such as MapReduce support large scale data processing. the technology from the foundation of modern cloud system. Cloud computing is a powerful and evolving technology that transform how computing research is used and managed. It offers quality, flexibility, and cost efficiency, and introduce challenges like security and reliability. Power architecture so that computing is the key trend shaping the future of IT and digital service. Thank you for listening.